Remove the mattress. Untuck the straps and unbuckle the rolled up door, then zip the door up. Unzip all 4 corners and loosen the Velcro straps from the upright bars. Remove all 4 corner foams. Loosen the M20 nut on the top corner brackets. Tuck the corners under the upright bar and zip up. Using a drill and spanner, remove the bolts securing the floor brackets. Remove 2 of the uprights and gently place the safe space on the floor, repeating on the other side. Using a drill and spanner, remove the bolts, washers and nuts from the top corner brackets. Slide the horizontal bars out of the pole pockets. Turn the Safespace fabric over so the floor faces upward. Unzip the Safespace floor and remove the foam floor. Then fold up the Safespace fabric.